Okay, this is the last video for Chapter 9, and we're going to look at an example of drawing a Lewis structure for an ionic compound that contains a polyatomic ion. So in the video that we did previously on Lewis structures of ionic compounds, we were dealing with purely monatomic ions. And so when we have a polyatomic ion, we actually have to combine what we did for ionic compounds with what we did for covalent compounds. Because remember, a polyatomic ion is just a covalent molecule that has either gained or lost some electrons to gain a charge. So in the case of magnesium nitrate that we have in this example, the magnesium is easy. That's just like the cations that we've done before, right? Magnesium ion has a +2 charge, so magnesium is going to give up its 2 valence electrons, and so the magnesium is just going to be Mg2+ with no valence electrons. Now, we need to combine that with the Lewis structure for the nitrate ion. So here on the right, away from the magnesium, I'm going to go ahead and draw the Lewis structure for the nitrate ion first. All right, so nitrate, the nitrogen will be the central atom. I'll have the 3 oxygens arranged around it. When I count up my electrons, 3 oxygens, nitrogen, and then an extra one for the charge. And so I have 24 electrons. So we do 2, 4, 6, 12, 18, 24, and nitrogen doesn't have an octet, so we'll take one of our lone pairs, turn that into a double bond. So there is our Lewis structure for the nitrate ion. Now, of course, there are 2 equivalent resonance structures. I'm just going to leave it with the one for here. And so I need to combine this guy that I just drew with this one. And so the only thing I need to do is add the fact that there are 2 nitrates. So I need to put a 2, and then I'll redraw my Lewis structure for the nitrate ion up here. And this would be our final answer.